Welcome to Mr. Office Excel Daily 1-Minute Tips. Today's tip: using the text-to-columns tool. Manual copying and pasting can lead to mistakes and takes up a lot of your valuable time. Instead, use the text-to-columns tool to quickly and accurately split your data into multiple columns. Select the column with the full names. Go to the Data tab and click on Text to Columns. Choose Delimited and click Next. Select Space as the delimiter and click Next. Click Finish. Now, first name and last name split with 2 columns. Another example. Suppose you have a column with date and time combined, and you want to separate them into 2 columns. Select the column with the date and time data. Go to the Data tab and click on Text to Columns. Choose Fixed Width and click Next. Set the column break where you want to split the data. Click Finish. Now, change date format. Date and time separate them into 2 columns. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily Excel tips. See you tomorrow with another tip.